how to make money on Upwork as a product photographer. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started by creating our account. So here, make sure to join as a freelancer, looking for work, apply as a freelancer. And here you fill the usual information, first name, last name, email, and so on. And after that, you click on create my account. And for me, I'm just going to log in because I've already created my account in the platform. So here I'm just going to continue with my email, type my password and click on login. Wait for it to be verified. Then I will proceed to creating my profile. So here, this is the last step of setting up the profile. So let's go back to start from the first steps. Let's go back to the first or the beginning of these steps, which is this one. So here, get started. A few quick questions. First, have you freelanced before? I'm brand new to this. I have some experience. I'm an expert. Let's go with I'm brand new to this. Then click on next. And here, what's your biggest goal for freelancing? To earn my main income, to make money on side, to get experience for a full-time job. I don't have a goal in mind yet. Let's go to earn my main income, click on next. And here, make sure to tick all of these boxes. Then click on next to create a profile. And here we have 3 options to go with. If you want to import from your LinkedIn account, or if you want to upload your resume from your desktop, if you have it in a PDF file, or you want to fill it out manually, it will take less than 15 minutes of your time. So I'm going to fill it out manually, start a new profile, and here you enter your skill, which is product photographer. Then click on next to add your experience. So here you can just click on the plus button to add your experience. I'm going to skip that for now. Same with education, skip for now. And here we have the languages. So here you choose your level in English. So my level is conversational. And if you have more languages, you can add them in here. Next, add your skills. So here the maximum is 15 skills. So let's enter some skills. For example, photography. And then click on next to write an overview. So here you enter a bio for your profile where you talk about yourself and your skills, and you give some bullet points about you. You can edit this later. So for me, I'm just going to take Marty's bio just to fill the space in order to proceed to the next step, which is choosing your categories. And here you search for a service. Let's see if we can find photography. So we have here engineering and architecture, sales and marketing, translation, sales, legal, IT and network, engineering, design and creative. And here we have photography. Then click on next to set your rate. Let's go with $20 per hour. Then click on next to add your photo and location. So here, let's go with first, let's fill the date of birth. So with 2005, March the 8th. Country Morocco. street address, and you fill the rest of the information. After that, you upload a photo to your profile. Make sure to show clients the best version of yourself. It must be an actual photo of you. Logos, clip arts, group photos, and digitally altered images are not allowed. So just keep that in mind. Then, when you're done with setting up your profile, uploading the photo, skills, and all of that, then don't click on anything. You'll just be directed to the main page. But for me, I'm going to log out to be back to the main page, just to show you how you can improve your profile to get as many clients as you can handle. So here, let's go back to Upwork. And this is the main page. So what you'll need to do is go to the search and type your niche or your skill to see all of the competitors that you're competing with or competing against in this platform. So all we're going to do is we're going to see and spy on our competitors, see the most earned competitor and copy from him, copy his bio, copy everything, his skills, see how he interacts with clients and all of that. So let's see what is the most one that earned a lot of money in here. So here we have 50k, 40 as well. So I think the one with 50k is the most earned one. We have another one in here, and this one gets $100 per hour, 110, and this one gets just $28 per hour. So let's go with the 110. So here, this is the one you're going to copy from, see how he's working, the bio, see how he's interacting with his clients, and try to apply that in your profile. And if you want to find some work, go to find work for your skills, and here you will see all of the listed jobs from people that are looking for someone to work with them. So here, just go to the search box and type your skill and see if there is any result or any listed jobs for you to work on. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section down below.